Hello, good evening everyone. This is Maleshwari. Today I am going to tell you what is disaster and management. What is disaster? Disaster means a sudden event that leads to huge loss, means heavy loss and property damage. Huge loss means human suffering and property damage. For example, infrastructure damage, building damage, vehicle damage. These all are heavy loss, uncontrollable event. And floods, tsunami, landslides, volcanic eruptions, droughts, these all are damages. So what is disaster? Disaster means some type of damages. Some disasters are long-term effect and some disasters are short-term effect. Long-term effect means like raising of sea level water, and short-term effect means earthquake. Suddenly it will come and gone off. So what is disaster? Disaster means some type of damages, uncontrollable event, heavy loss of property damage, heavy loss of human suffering. So these are called damages. These damages are called disasters. These disasters are happen in any event and any location or any time. These disasters are two types. One is natural disaster and another one is man-made disasters. Natural disasters are caused by nature. For example, floods, cyclones, tsunami, droughts, volcanic eruptions. These all are natural disasters. Natural disasters, for example, floods. Recently in our Hyderabad, many areas are filled with water due to floods. So this is also one type of example of disaster. Man-made disasters. Man-made disasters are caused by human negligence or human error. For example, industrial fire, terrorism, international war, gas leakages, cylinder blast, child labor. These are man-made disasters. Disasters are two types we have learned. These disasters are natural disasters and man-made disasters. Natural disasters are three types. One is geophysical disaster and biological disasters and man-made disasters. Geophysical disaster. What is geophysical disasters? Geophysical disasters are caused by earth and atmosphere. For example, floods, cyclones, tsunami, volcanic eruptions, droughts and landslides. These all are geophysical disasters. Floods means overflowing of water. Cyclones means wind movement. And droughts means dry land. And volcanic eruptions means creating lava. Landslides means small pieces of rocks fall down. These are landslides. These are geophysical disasters. Biological disasters. Biological disasters are caused by plants and animals. For example, forest fire, infection, plague and bacteria, snake bite, dog bite. These all are biological disaster. Suppose one plant is burning, it may spread to other plants and it may attack to human beings. And bird flu. Bird flu is also one type of disaster. Suppose it comes through birds, it spreads to other birds and it may attack to human beings also. So bird flu also one type of disaster. And malaria. Animals get malaria. It spreads to other animals. It may attack to human beings. So malaria is also one type of disaster. Infection is also one type of disaster. Suppose nowadays corona is going on worldwide. One person is having corona, it spreads to other few people. It may attack to many people. So corona is also one type of disaster. In man-made disasters, bomb blast. Bomb blast is happened, surrounding area is damaged and many people are died. That is also one type of disaster. And terrorism. Terrorism also one type of disaster. Many people are died in terrorism. Leakages of gas. Recently in one of the gas leakage accident in LG Polymer chemical plant in Vizag, 11 people died and more than 1,000 people sustained non-fatal injuries. Another example, in 1984 Union Carbide gas leakage accident in Bhopal in which more than 10,000 people died. Another example is Chernobyl nuclear power plant accident in which large number of people died and a very large area of land became radioactive. In 2005, Government of India has implemented Weather Report Service Center and disaster committees to control the disaster risk. How to control the disaster risk and how to face the disaster risk. So government has implemented awareness programs. Weather Report Service Center telecasting weather report day by day, and they inform to disaster committees. Then disaster committees will take the action to control the disaster risk. What are these disaster committees? NDMI, National Disaster Management Institute. INCOIS, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Service. NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority. NIDM, National Institute of Disaster Management Service.